Mr. Muhammad Usman, speech in English language by brother Mr. Muhammad Usman Chishti.
Assalamu alaikum. In the name of Allah, the most beneficent, the most merciful, respected principal, honorable teacher and my fellow. The 14th of August is the most important day in the history of Pakistan. On this day, our country got free, the British left with bag and baggage. Pakistanis celebrate this day with great joy every year. This year, amazing preparation were made in our Jamia. My dear, thousands of brave freedom fighters sacrificed their lives to get freedom from British rule. Due to those freedom fighters and sacrifice heroes, we are living a happy life. We must perform all our duties as a responsible citizen and sport polite today to hard work and make our country the strongest, powerful and developed in the world. Thanks.
Shabash. Very good, bhai. Very good.